Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to check and fix issues on Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. Okay, first of all, we can open our settings application on our Samsung Galaxy phone and we can scroll down until we find the device care option, this one. Tap on this option and you're gonna click on the diagnostics right here, and just wait for a moment because it's still loading. And on the phone diagnostics, you can check the issues on your Samsung Galaxy phone. You can check if your phone's functions are working properly or not. Okay, and we can click on phone diagnostics right here, and you're gonna select a function that you want to check on your Samsung phone. And for example, I'm just going to click on my maybe my buttons. Okay, and here I have instruction to press the volume up button and press the volume down button and the side button as well. Okay, and as you can see that my buttons is normal, and we just need to go back. And if you want to test all functions on your Samsung phone, you just need to click on test all right here. Alright guys, and that's how we can check and fix issues on Samsung Galaxy phone with Android 14. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.